Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with another video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Let's move toward our topic, which is about equation of motions. So let's start. The equation of motion describes the motion of an object in terms of its position, velocity, acceleration, and time. These equations are derived from Newton's law of motion and are fundamental to classical mechanics. There are three equations of motion, each corresponding to one of the three dimensions x, y, and z, in which the object can move. Here, I will provide a detailed explanation of each equation. Number 1. First equation of motion for constant acceleration. This equation relates the final velocity v, initial velocity u, acceleration a, and time t taken for the motion. V is equals to u plus at, where v is the final velocity of an object, u is the initial velocity of object, a is the constant acceleration experienced by the object, t is the time taken for the motion. This equation indicates that the final velocity of an object can be found by adding the product of acceleration and time to the initial velocity. Number 2. Second equation of motion for constant acceleration. This equation relates the displacement s, initial velocity u, acceleration a, and time t taken for the motion. So equation is s is equals to ut plus half at square, where s is the displacement of an object, u is the initial velocity of object, a is the constant acceleration experienced by the object, t is the time taken for the motion. This equation states that the displacement of an object can be calculated by adding the product of initial velocity and time to the half product of acceleration and time of square. Number 3. Third equation of motion for constant acceleration. This equation relates the final velocity v, initial velocity u, acceleration a, and displacement s of the object. Equation is v square is equals to u square plus 2as, where v is the final velocity of object, u is the initial velocity of object as same, a is the constant acceleration experienced by the object, and s is the displacement of the object. This equation states that the square of the final velocity of an object can be determined by adding square of initial velocity to the twice the product of acceleration and displacement. These equations of motion are valid only for cases where acceleration is constant. They are widely used in physics and engineering to analyze and solve problems related to the motion of object under constant acceleration, such as free fall, projectile motion, and motion along inclined planes. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.